Basajjabalaba was charged with uttering a false document, forgery of a judicial document, and conspiracy to defeat tax laws, the same charges he was read to yesterday before the Anti-Corruption Court. According to the charge sheet at Anti-Corruption Court, Basajjabalaba and his younger brother, Basajjabalaba, the director of Harbour Group between 2010 and 2011, conspired to prevent or defeat the execution or enforcement of tax laws in respect of taxes amounting to 20 million shillings. The money was arising from the compensation award by government to his company, Harbour Group. Prosecution alleges that on or about October 6th last year, Basajjabalaba forged a consent judgment purporting to have been entered into between his company Harbour and the Attorney General, agreeing that the payments of the shillings 142 billion would not be subjected to any taxes, whereas the award was subjected to the tax laws. He denied these charges, and Presiding Chief Magistrate Irene Akankwasa remanded him till 2 p.m. on Thursday, when he will be produced from Luzira prison to decide on whether to grant him bail or not. Court could not decide on his bail after the prosecution informed court that it needed time to scrutinize the papers of the 5 sureties he had lined up. State Prosecutor Ms. Lilian Omara argued that one of the sureties' papers were questionable for having 2 LC letters from 2 different residential places.
Proceedings, you don't argue the substance initially. All you do is to free a person. After it's freed, then you can go on and argue the legalities. Certainly, the law does not allow prosecution of a person with respect to offences in different courts.
DPP spokesperson Jen Kajuga Akuo says since DPP, who has a mandate to prosecute public matters, this morning successfully applied to Buganda Road Court, and the private prosecution charges at Buganda Road Court would be withdrawn. Kajuga added that they are considering investigating the motive of the private prosecution, since it was well known that the DPP had sanctioned criminal charges against Basajjabalaba and that the police was looking for him. She wondered why Basajjabalaba was not responding to police summons since last year, swiftly responded to Buganda Road Court summons issued on Monday to have him charged under private prosecution.
The case that was started at Buganda Road Court was meant merely to frustrate the public prosecution. It has been in the public domain that Basajjabalaba has been wanted by the police over the very same charges. That charges had been sanctioned against him by the DPP last year, and the police has been looking for him, serving summons, waiting for him to appear.
Meanwhile, Workers MP Dr. Sam Lyomoki has been released by Buganda Road Court on bond. Lyomoki was bonded 10 million shillings, not cash, while his sureties were bonded 20 million shillings. Dr. Lyomoki was charged with disobeying lawful orders by refusing to respond to police summons. He was arrested on Tuesday after appearing on a WBS morning show and taken to the Special Investigations Unit in Chireka, where he was detained until being arraigned in court. Report by Yunus Santali for WBS Television.
Thank you very much.